Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to navigate or open a record in Salesforce Flow. Using Lightning Web Component, we can navigate to a record from Flow. Let's see a sample flow here. Here in this flow, I'm creating a case record based on subject, description, status, origin, and priority using the create records flow element. Once the user enters all the case information, it comes to the next create records flow element. Here I am passing the account ID as the record ID. I created this record ID as an input variable so that when the flow is configured, we can pass the record ID. For that, I'm using the account ID here. Next, I have a screen element. In that, I'm calling a Lightning Web Component. So when the flow gets executed, first it will show case creation screen where the user will enter all the case related information. Next it will use the create records flow element, and then it will create the record, and I'm going to open the created case record using the Lightning Web Component. In the Lightning Web Component, in the HTML, I don't have any coding because I'm directly going to open the record. Connected callback will be called when the Lightning Web Component on the flow is called. First, what I'm doing is I am importing flow navigation finish event from Lightning Flow support, and then I'm creating a new event for that, and then using dispatch event I'm firing that event. Once the case is created, once it comes to the Lightning Web Component, I don't have any next operation to get executed. So directly I'm calling the finish method, and then I'm ending the flow. That is the reason I am using the flow navigation finish event. If you have a requirement where you have next screen or next any other flow elements, then instead of flow navigation finish event, you have to use flow navigation next event, so that it will go to the next screen or the next flow element. Using navigation mixin.navigate, I'm opening the lightning record I'm opening the record using standard underscore record page attributes. I am passing the record ID, action, view. This record ID to open will be configured on the lightning record page or from the flow, sorry. So in the flow, when we call it, we have to configure the, so here I am passing the record ID. The label is record ID, but the API name or the developer name or the property name is record ID to open. So here, so from the flow, I'm passing the case ID. Using the Lightning Web Component, it will open the case record. Let's see here a demo. So I'm going to create a case record. I'm setting it as working, origin email, origin phone, priority I'm going to set it to medium. So now if I click next, it will create a case, it will call the Lightning Web Component, it will open the Lightning Web Component, finish the flow, and then it will open the record case that got created. Let's click next. Yeah, so this is the newly created case record. It got opened, and if I go back, it would have finished the flow. So that's the reason it is coming from the first now. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample Lightning Web Component code which was referenced in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.